Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make a resume on Overleaf. Let's get started. First, open Overleaf in your browser and log into your account. Next, click on the Templates tab at the top of the page. In the Templates gallery, you'll see a Resumes and CVs section. Choose the one you like best and click Open as Template. To customize, switch to the Visual Editor above the code pane. Then, 1. Update your name and title. For example, change Jack Sparrow to your own name. 2. Edit contact details, email, phone, LinkedIn, right in the preview pane. 3. Replace placeholder sections, education, experience, skills, with your information by clicking and typing. Number 4. Swap out icons or images by clicking them in the visual editor and uploading your own. Whenever you make a change, hit Recompile to refresh the PDF preview. Once you've filled in all your details, click the Download PDF button at the top right to save your finished resume. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.